In this video, we are going to talk about another impressive post type on LinkedIn that is called LinkedIn polls. Now, LinkedIn polls are the opinionated type of poll. It drives people to share you their opinion, and it's basically like voting. And it is being when the polls were launched, these are being favored by a lot of people. A lot of people were getting much more engagement, but now this engagement has been overtaken by the LinkedIn carousels. But still, you can use LinkedIn polls in order to segregate your clients, in order to find your target audience and segregate it for you and then connect with them, follow them. So this is a really good way to find segregated clients, segregated audience. It is being termed as one of the best way to find relevant audience and generating leads. Poll question. One of the most important thing that I need to tell you that the hook here need to be created by the poll question. The poll question is very important because people are going to push and going to engage only if the poll question, that this is the question, if this is going to be uh, one that pushes them to engage, that pushes them to share their opinion, or the poll question should be resonating with your target audience, with the readers. If it is not resonating with readers, then they are not going to share their opinion or share their vote. The caption length should be less than 500 characters. The polls with three options works really well. You can use up to four options really well. And the basic frequency of polls should be in order to get engagement and get reach, get visible, find some of your leads and find some of your clients, segregate your clients, segregate your audience. You need to use at least one time. Poll should be one time per week. Poll question with option in the caption that work also really well. When you create a poll, then also use the same poll question and also the option in the caption also. That is also a really good practice and it works really well. Also, the post caption containing a personalized story works really well. When you have a question related to any of your field or your niche, and then in the caption you write your story, something personalized story, it works really well. What goal do you want to achieve through LinkedIn? So if you aid, for example, I created that poll and it got really good results, some good opinions from different people, and I also find some of clients there because it was segregating that many people are get their dream job, some want to scale their startup, some want clients for their freelance work. So it depends upon, and in that opinion, through this opinionated post, I can easily find my audience. Now, at the same time, what goal do you want to achieve through LinkedIn? So I also shared my story in that post also. So you can also do this. Now, these polls work best for the trends in your industry. If you want to ask an opinion related to matter or issue, finding the best tool or product or a book, asking the opinion of your network, involving them, engaging them. This is really important. If you involve your audience into finding the best option, making any decision, this really works well because this is community promotion of work or service or product, and asking up opinion related to different variants. Like for example, if you are publishing your course, then you can also ask them that how many duration that course to be. You can also ask them what should be the price of that course, how much you are going to pay. Like I created that poll which worked really well, and I also find 30 to 40 leads from that poll. So polls are really important in order to find leads. Now, this is a poll that I created and it worked really well. 4,587 votes. And which social media site do you check first when you wake up in the morning? And 51% aided that they check LinkedIn. Now, this is the power of LinkedIn. People are going to check it. And now you can see the caption here also. Now, one of the other thing that I want to share is what goal do you want to achieve through LinkedIn? I listed four options. Then at the start, I shared a personalized story also related to that poll question. Which medium you would prefer to learn about personal branding? I used four option, and both option can be used in an open option also. Like start today. I was searching through Google to find some ideas to create content for the next few days. You can also click on the see more, but the hook need to be created by the question, and it got these different results. Now this is the poll that I shared with you here, and it got 7 9. What goal do you want to LinkedIn? And here I shared that how you can your success through LinkedIn, your goal through LinkedIn. I shared a story in caption. I shared the description. And also here when I click on this poll, then it helps me to get segregated clients. 578 want to get a dream job. I can easily find these can be my clients. If I am providing career development, job searching, resume writing service, I can easily connect with them, pitch them, and whatever I want. These are the direct leads. Many people want to scale their startup, and I can help them in their LinkedIn journey. Why they are present on LinkedIn, and I can help them. Many of 103 people want to get freelance clients. So 103 clients for me, 103 students for me, and my version is in comments. This is also another poll that I created. It got 926 votes. If government allows one application in my smartphone, 68% was saying it would LinkedIn. So these can be my leads. These are my potential clients because they want LinkedIn in their smartphone. They need LinkedIn. So that's why I can pitch them my also. I can connect with them. They can, if not now, but in the future, they can be my client. So how you are going to create polls LinkedIn? I'm going to share. Just click on this space. Now create a post and click on this screen. Now here you are first of all in 1 to 40 characters. Uh, do you use LinkedIn on weekends? And you can write it like this. And yes, up to 2 hours. Yes, all the day. Just casually. And then clicking on the, and you can pick the duration 3 days duration, really good one to pick. And just click on the duration, you click on done, and then when you click on the done, and this will appear like this one. And then you can add a caption. It should not be more than 500 characters. And best thing is that use the same poll question and options in the caption section also, but add a relevant story also that caption, like you can share. For example, I was using LinkedIn on weekend, and it helped me a lot to connect with 500 people, and they were also using LinkedIn. So you can share a short story like this one on the post, and when click on the post, it will be here like this one. And people are going to vote, and you easily find who are going, who are voting, who are sharing. So this is the best way, but the one of the other best way is that use up to three options, but you can also use fourth open option also, so that people who cannot find their option can share it in. So that's all for the polls. One other thing that I am going to share is the external links. External links are really important. Also, you can share external links, but external links directly in the post is not recommended. Like you can pick any of the external link. For example, I'm going to share. For example, I like this video, and I want to like your AT. Then I just copy the link, and I just share. And when I post it here, a preview is generated. Then I can edit it. Edit this link. I can add a caption related to, and I can add hashtags. But one thing, the external links aren't recommended to directly in the caption, but you can use external link in the comment section. Posting external link limits the visibility and reach of your. So you can use external link. But one other thing, one other way you can use external links is the newsletter.